Hello, you're very welcome along to our social media and technology roundup. Now, we thought we'd try something a little bit different, and each week we would bring you a quick roundup and overview on the key bits of information that you need to know when it comes to social media, technology, and the internet. And in this week's episode, we're taking a look at Netflix parties. Now, what is a Netflix party? You probably already use Netflix to stream your favorite TV shows and films. But do you have any plans to take part in a Netflix party? And if so, what are some of the key bits of safety information that you need to keep in mind? Then we're going to take a look at Zoom calling, which has become very popular over the past couple of weeks, with more and more people using the video cloud-based conferencing platform to host Zoom parties and keep in touch with family and friends right across the world. And finally, we're going to take a look at the Houseparty app. So what is a Netflix party? A Netflix party is a group of viewers that get together virtually to simultaneously watch films and TV shows. Netflix Party is a Chrome extension that you download from the Google Chrome store that allows you to remotely watch Netflix with friends right around the world. Couple of things to think about when it comes to using or taking part in a Netflix party. Don't share the Netflix party link publicly. Be very careful about posting it on social media or indeed the internet, because you might attract unwanted attention into your Netflix party. Be careful about clicking on any suspicious links that you might receive claiming to invite you to a Netflix party, particularly if these are coming from strange email accounts or people that you've never heard before. So watch out for those unknown sources, those messages coming through popular messaging platforms or indeed the internet and social media. Watch out for what you post on the chat feature within your Netflix party. Be careful about sharing any personal or private information. And if you're a parent, make sure you check out the new parental controls that are being rolled out at the moment by Netflix. So they have overhauled their parental controls and they've made some really good improvements to the parental controls. So make sure that you check out the parental controls feature within Netflix. Now, more and more people are using Zoom to keep in touch with family and friends. You might have even taken part in a Zoom party. I myself have, but it is important to remember a couple of key bits of safety information whenever you are using the Zoom platform. In fact, I was reading a very interesting article just this morning on TechRadar that a select few people have even held their weddings over Zoom. So how can you Zoom safely? Just like we mentioned when we talked about the Netflix party, avoid sharing the link or meeting ID on social media or public websites. We see a lot of people who are sharing their link to their particular Zoom meeting publicly and openly across the internet. That will attract unwanted attention, known as Zoom bombing. And you will get some trolls trying to join your particular meeting. Make sure you set up the settings the right way before you schedule or you launch your meeting. Always use a strong password. Set the screen sharing to host only and use a per meeting ID exclusive to a single meeting, and actually make participants wait in a meeting waiting room before you invite them into the meeting. Houseparty is a very popular video chat app which is popular with children and young people, and we do have a detailed blog post available over on the website on this particular app, so please do stop by the website and check that out. Just a couple of key things to keep in mind if you have children and young people who are using the Houseparty app. It is an app that allows you to video chat with between 2 and 10 people. Don't accept chat requests from strangers. Remember your privacy and think about what you post and you share on the particular chat room that you're within. Remember, things can be screenshotted, screen recording can happen, and this content can be posted and can end up on other social media platforms. So just some simple things to think about today whenever it comes to taking part in a Netflix party a Zoom call, or indeed using the Houseparty app. Of course, don't forget to stop by the website and check out lots more great, helpful and practical information. And we'll see you next week for our quick roundup on all things social media, technology and the internet.